Ladies, these are not just earrings, they're history. Pure, 65-million-year-old T-Rex tooth. An exclusive offer you simply cannot miss.
In this video, I'll walk you through the latest updates in the desktop app and show you how to use each new feature step by step. Let's start with the first update in Scene Builder. Inside the video-to-video section, you can now clone a video into a specific language. This makes it much easier to localize your content for different audiences. Next, let's move to the long video generator. Here, the app now provides additional options for you to customize your output. You can control lighting conditions, choose different camera styles, and adjust other cinematic parameters. Another important update is the output language setting. You can now decide which language your generated prompt should be written in. After that, simply enter a very simple prompt, even just one sentence is enough. Then click Generate. After a short wait, your initial results will be ready. As usual, you can select how many sets you want to generate at the same time. Once you've chosen the number of sets, click Generate All. When all the sets are finished, go to the Scene Generator section. Here, the system will create detailed prompts for each video scene. Next, choose the number of videos you want to generate concurrently, for example 3. Then specify the delay between each batch run, such as 30 seconds. After that, click Generate All Scenes. The system will generate all the videos for you automatically. Once everything is done, click OK. Now you can review and test each generated video.
Our process begins with the rawest ingredients, meticulously sourced and immediately inspected.
After your videos are ready, the final step is to merge them together. Choose a folder where you want to save the final output. Then you'll be able to watch a complete long video created from all your scenes.
Our process begins with the rawest ingredients, meticulously sourced and immediately inspected.
Every piece is rigorously washed and optically scanned for any imperfections before it proceeds.
The fruit is converted into its purest, most consistent form, ready for refinement. Precision is paramount. Temperature control ensures safety without compromising the delicate flavor profile.
From vat to container, the sealing process is instantaneous, using vacuum technology to lock in peak freshness.
And finally, the finished product is ready for distribution, completing our commitment to farm-to-shelf quality.
And just like that, you've created a full long-form video from a single simple prompt, with customized settings. Now let's move on to the next feature, a cinematic short film. Here you can start by writing a short subject. This could be a brief character description or a simple storyline. You can add more details if you want more precise results. Then choose a folder where the output images will be saved automatically. Next, select the generation mode. You can create a grid image, multiple character angles, different scene variations, or a full character sheet. For this example, we'll keep the default standard grid. After that, choose a template. Each template includes a preview image, so you know what kind of result to expect. When you select a template, the system will automatically configure settings, like shot type, camera angle, and cinematic style. As you can see, once the template is selected, all the recommended settings are filled in automatically. If you don't want to use reference images, you can generate a master grid directly. Just click the Generate button. Now your output image is ready. You'll see multiple images arranged in a grid. In this case, 4 images were created because the grid item count was set to 4. If you generate again or try different templates, you'll get different variations. Feel free to experiment and explore the results. Next, we'll use Enhance All Angles. This feature generates individual high-quality images from each grid item. After enhancement, there's another new update. The app can now automatically generate video prompts based on the images you just created. Before doing this, make sure to enter your free Gemini API key. Once the video prompts are generated, simply copy them. Then go to the Image to Video section in Video Generation and paste the generated video prompts here. You'll see that there are separate prompts corresponding to each image. Next, select the Image folder. Choose the folder that contains the images you just generated, which are saved in automatic sequential order. Then set the number of concurrent videos. Click Generate and wait for your videos to be created. Now you can preview the videos. After reviewing them, merge all the videos together to create the final result. Awesome, right? Here's another powerful new feature: start frame and end frame for video. This works similarly to image to video. You'll need to select a folder that contains your input images. Each video scene requires 2 images, one for the start frame and one for the end frame. Both images should share the same scene number and include the words start and end in their file names. For example, here we rename the images to create start and end frames for scene 1. Next, let's look at the new VO3 prompt library. This section organizes videos and their corresponding prompts into different categories. Each example includes both the generated video and the exact prompt used to create it.
I finished the wall, but I forgot the door. What am I gonna do now?
You can click Next to browse through more pages.
Bro, like, shrimp get to be a delicacy, right? They're basically just sea bugs. But us, we're out here hustling and nobody's putting us on a fancy plate.
You can also select specific categories to explore different styles and use cases. This makes it easy to copy and paste proven prompts for your own projects. As you can see, the video results here are high quality, realistic, and visually impressive. And that's it for the latest desktop app updates. Now you're ready to explore these features and start creating amazing content.
Hello? Hello?
Join the community to unlock unlimited access to all features in the app.